Okay, so this is pre-algebra naming decimal places. The instructions ask us to write the name of each decimal place indicated. So what I'm going to do is first start out listing the order of the decimal places. So I'm going to start out with the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. And I'm going to stop at thousands. If we need more, we'll use more. So one thing to quickly note is if in the number there's no decimal place written, you always assume it's at the end. So in this for number 1, it would be after the 5. And that's where we start, going down the list from ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands as we go from right to left. So for number 1, the 5 is in the ones place. And just as a note, the 2 would be in the tens place and the 7 in the hundreds place. Number 2, this 3 is in the ones place. This 2 would be in the tens place, the 8 in the hundreds, and the 7 in the thousands place. Number 3. So this 9 is in the ones place as well. This 9 would be in the tens place, and this 1 would be in the hundreds place. Okay, number 4, this 5 is in the ones place, this 5 is in the tens place, this 5 is in the hundreds place, this 7 is in the thousands place, and this 1 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, number 5. This 6 is in the ones place, this 9 is in the tens place, and this 4 is in the hundreds place. Number 6. This 8 is in the ones place, this 6 is in the tens place, this 9 is in the hundreds place, this 8 is in the thousands place, and this 5 is in the 10,000s place. This 7 would be in the 100,000s place, this 9 would be in the millions place, this 0 would be in the 10 millions place, and this 7 would be in the 100 millions place. Okay, number 7. This 6 is in the tens place, this 1 is in the tens place, this 0 is in the hundreds place, and this 5 is in the thousands place. Number 8. This 5 is in the ones place, and this 0 is in the tens place. Okay, number 9. Now, we're going to switch it up from them being in, the tens, hundreds, thousands place to the tenths place, the hundredths place. So I'm going to write that list over here as well. So we don't do, the ones place. We always start with the tenths place. When the decimal, in this case, is the decimals right here, and the side that we're interested in is on the right side. These are where they start with, the tenths, the hundredths. So in this case, the 6 is in the tenths place. This 8 is in the hundredths place. This 3 would be in the thousandths place. This 5 would be in the 10,000ths place. Okay, so I just told you what it is. So the 5 is in the 10,000ths place, thousandths place. Number 10, this 5 would be in the thousandths place. And this 9 would be in the ones place. So that's going back to what we were originally doing. Okay, number 11. So this 7 is in the hundredths place. Number 12, this 6 is in the tenths, the 4 is in the hundredths, the 2 is in the thousandths, and this 1 is in the thousandths. Okay, number 13. This 4 is in the tenths place, this 9 is in the hundredths place, the 8 is in the thousandths place, and the 9 is in the 10,000ths place. Number 14. This 1 is in the tenths place. Number 15. This 4 is in the hundredths place. (16) This 2 is in the tenths place. Just to mention, the 5 is in the ones place. This 4 is in the hundredths place. The 3 is in the thousandths place. And the 2 is in the 10,000ths place. Number 17. So this 6 is in the tenths, the 5 is in the hundredths, 8 is in the thousandths, 2 is in the 10,000ths, and 9 is in the 100,000ths. Okay, number 18. This 1 is in the ones place. And this is back to what we were doing in the beginning. The 2 is in the tens, the 7 is in the hundreds, and the 6 is in the thousands. The 8 is in the tenths place, and the 6 is in the hundredths place. Number 19. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Number 20. The 6 is in the tenths place. Number 21. This 2 is in the hundreds place. Number 22. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Number 23. This 3 is in the 100 millions place. Just like this 7 would be in the 10 millions place, and this 3 would be in the billions place. This 6 is in the 100 millions place. And that's naming decimal places.